Welcome. If you want to block ads in your ALCATEL freebie, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and get the Opera mini browser. And I think that you wonder why I push you to take this browser, right? That's because they got the partnership with the Adword Plus and they have built-in a block to this browser, so you don't have to connect any external application to Chrome, Mozilla, or any other default browser from your smartphone company. So just wait a little bit and I'm going to show you how it works. But it works perfectly, very smooth and very fast. Okay, right now we can open it. Click continue 2 times. Click here on this icon in this right corner. Oh, we don't want to customize it right now, just click here. And we have to check if this ad blocking is not turned off, and if this icon is going to look like that, that is disabled, so we have to just enable it, right? And right now we can enter the website. What the website? Well, I think that we can enter the BBC News, or maybe this one. Oh wait, did I turn off the Wi-Fi? No, it is. So what happens here? Let's turn it off and turn it on again. Honestly, I don't know what happened. There's the first time I have the issue like that. So here it is, the Opera. Open it one more time. I don't know why it does not show this preview websites as always. We can enter maybe this one. Okay, and this website is working, so interesting. I think we can go for CBNC News. CNBC News, right, the website, enter here. And there is no ads here. Really? Oh no, here it is. There are 4. And so the 4 ads were blocked. Let's refresh it one more time. And right now there's 2, 4 again, 8, 10, 12. Cool, ad block. 16 ads blocked. So right now when we scroll down the page, we can't find here any ads, right? Because when you check here, you see that the 16 ads were blocked. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.